time I come home, you got something to say. Like where you been, where'd you go, never how was your day. Right when I walk through the door, yeah, you all in my face. If this is court, not guilty, why you all in my case? Need to stop believing your girls, believe in my word. Half the stories that they feed into you so absurd. So don't believe in everything your earlobe captures. You're forcing me to close the book and end this chapter. Now the power we empower, yo, it's such a nice feel. I thank the powers of heaven for such a nice deal. An angel in exchange for the word of my love. So I can't go a day without your kisses and hugs. Need your touches and rubs, need your cuddles and snugs. I need you soaking with me in the bubbles and tub. But then when I gotta go, we'll only be for a while. And I'll make sure I'm back to see my baby girl smile.
I know you got concerns about what I did. For sure it's hard to learn, but yo, we still kids trying to find a way to grow in each other's eyes. Some days we hurt each other just trying to cover lies. But besides that, I realized back when we began, see, you was my woman, but still my friend. And that meant more to me than I really gave in. Cause that's the kind of love that's simply not a trend.
Being a play in the game, I can tell you how it feel. Little ones is playing games, I'm the ones that keep it real. Chicken heads trying to claim, now I got a deal. So I can't be slipping like I'm stepping on banana peels. But I keep a main squeeze for times I wanna be at ease. The industry got me fatigued, this hustle ain't a breeze. Pull out the trio, send a text around Rio. To my shorty mixed with half Indian and Creole. Blended like a latte, skin like cappuccino. Apple bottom jeans, Giacomo, action Tarantino. Curves like a racetrack, beauty I embrace that. Not to go big and broad faith like a mace track. She hit me back like Boots Mobile, where you at? If I ain't run a business, I'm lacing another track. Stepping out the booth, asking what's good, ma? You wanna kick it? She said no doubt with the reply like this.
I know you got concerns about what I did. For sure it's hard to learn, but yo, we still kids trying to find a way to grow in each other's eyes. Some days we hurt each other just trying to cover lies. But besides that, I realized back when we began, see, you was my woman, but still my friend. And that meant more to me than I really gave in. Cause that's the kind of love that's simply not a trend.
See, all these dime pieces, they don't impress me. Just another pretty face trying to possess me. Yeah, but baby girl knew me before the fans knew me. She know about the sides of me before the fame knew me. We go to hot spots, fly like we in the movies, or chill out